Housing inventory extremely tight. Many homes for sale will have multiple offers. You may wonder if you should put an offer on the home that is above asking price in order to win the contract or afford a bidding war. The forecasted appreciation for Hillsborough County is expected to be 3.9% over the next year and 20.9% over the next 5 years. This may help you evaluate the amount, if any, that you might be willing to offer above asking price. If you decide to delay your purchase, the market will not remain idle, and you may miss out on appreciation gains. And many people don't consider the additional benefit of amortization that would have occurred while you're waiting, paying yourself principal. Contact me, James Graff, in order to learn how you can build wealth through home ownership. This has been James Graff. You can reach me at 732-500-6883. That's P500 mute, as in we'll make your mortgage as small as a P if we can, and picture 500 mattresses above that, and of course a giant Trump mute on top. You should be muting everything else in the background, because what I'm saying to you is probably more than worth your while. I certainly hope it is. I have to thank you for listening. This is another Mortgage Minute from Advisors Mortgage Group. And with that, I have an absolutely wonderful day. Thanks for listening.